Good morning mga ka-feeling! It's me again on a random day. So for today's video, pumunta kami sa Plaza Alemania Hotel to attend the grand launch of Neo Alkaline Sea. The Mindanao Island expansion partner of the brand is Mama Del Alemania. And we were invited to witness this exciting event. Kasama ko rin ang iba't ibang content creators and vloggers from Ilican tulad ng Laagan sa Ilican, Ludichik, Page ni Mikoy, Irene, Kuya Jim and Jen, Niyor, Photogenic Lens at marami pang iba. Syempre, habang naghihintay pa sa special guest, hindi mawawala ang kulitan, chikahan at bonding moments naming mga vloggers. Ang saya lang talaga kapag magkakasama kaming lahat. One of the highlights of the event was the arrival of Queen Ay Mercado. Pagdating niya, nag-start na ang motorcade at car parade. Grabe, sobrang bibo ng parade. Nilibot namin ang iba't ibang parts ng Iligan City. At umakyat pa kami sa City Hall. Ang saya ng moment. Mas naging memorable pa because kasama namin sa sasakyan si Queen Ay Mercado, ang CEO, COO, President ng Neo Alkaline Sea at syempre si Mama Del Alemania. It was truly an amazing experience to be part of the motorcade with them. At alam nyo ba, paiba-iba ang panahon. Minsang sobrang init tapos maya-maya umuulan na naman. Pero tuloy pa rin ang energy namin. Perfect talaga na may Neo Alkaline Sea kami, especially sa ganitong weather. Rain or shine, kailangan alagaan pa rin natin ang ating health para iwas sakit at tuloy lang sa mga activities. After the parade, dumiretso na kami sa venue para sa official program. The program officially started with the introduction of the CEO, COO, and President of Neo Alkaline Sea. They shared the company's vision, their products, and how Neo Alkaline Sea aims to promote a healthier lifestyle. Marami ring mga guests ang nag-register that day, and aside from the free registration, they also received product packages. It was nice to see so many people excited to learn more about the brand. Personally, I also got to know more about Neo Alkaline Sea, and I was impressed by their products. It's always inspiring to see businesses continue to grow while helping people prioritize their health. Of course, hindi mawawala ang food. After the program, may snacks prepared for everyone. Kaya habang kumakain, tuloy pa rin ang chikahan at bonding fellow vloggers and guests. After everything, picture taking and video taking na naman. Syempre, kailangan may memories. And one of my favorite moments that day was finally meeting Queen Ay Mercado in person. Honestly, first time ko siyang makita ng personal. And she's even more beautiful in real life. She's very humble, approachable, and super bait. At ang mas nakaka-happy pa, finalo niya pa kami. Yes, finalo niya kami. Nakakapagpa-shoutout pa nga ako sa kanya, which made the experience even more memorable. Tapos, naka-receive kami ng bag of tokens at nabunot pa kami sa paraffle. Nanalo ng hats. Overall, it was such a fun and successful event. I'm truly grateful to have been invited and to be part of another meaningful gathering where I not only met amazing people, but also learned something new. Thank you so much to Mama Del Alemania, the Mindanao Island expansion partner, and the entire Neo Alkaline Sea family for inviting us and making us part of this wonderful celebration. Looking forward to more exciting events like this.
Alright, once again, I would like to request the COO and the CEO to please join in. Okay, the co-founder and of course the president. And now we will now reveal the Neo Alkaline Sea, the newest product of Neo Atoms International Corporation. In a count of 10, come on, let's have a countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Please reveal. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, the newest product of Neo Atoms International Corporation. That is the Neo Alkaline. All right, let's have a photo opportunity first.
Hello everyone. Hoy. Ibig sabihin, bitan. So let's test another. Hindi ko na lang alam. Di ba? So, if there's a problem, ito po yung solution. Kasi po wala naman talaga makakaiwas sa acidity. Di ba? So, our main function, why we are different, is our alkalinizer. Kung acidic yung katawan mo, pag uminom ka,
Sakitan ng yung ko, if only you know. Because a lot of members before na nasakit of cancer were healed. And yet, I was not able to save my husband. He died last March 1. Guys, sakit na sa last March 1. Unity, energy, happy tummy!
now we are officially handling the key to the city exclusivity of Iligan. Ano po? For city franchise exclusivity. Ang lakas ng Calembang City po yan. Yan po.
Miss Madel Alemania.
Eh, alam nyo, biruin nyo ha, eto ha, sa bawat pumirma ho ngayon, at syempre, sa lahat ho ng naniwala, din sa produkto ng Neo Alkaline Sea, may isang pamilya ho na nagdesisyon na tumanggi sa, syempre, sa paghihintay ng isang oportunidad. Pero ngayon, tinanin nyo, unti-unti nyo nang binubuo yung oportunidad na iyon. At yun ho ay dahil sa inyong mga sarili, sa inyong mga desisyon. Ano ho, napaka-importante ng inyong mga desisyon. Kasi kung tutuusin naman ho po pwedeng, hindi nyo naman tanggapin, hindi nyo puntahan itong ano natin, itong event natin ngayon. Pero, tinan nyo, mga sarili ninyo, nandito kayo ngayon kasi napaka-importante, lalo na pag ang pinag-uusapan ay kalusugan. Alam nyo naman ho yan, lalo na ho sa akin, ano ho, ma-share ko lang, alam nyo, closing remarks na to, pero parang hindi opening remarks. Pero kasi nga, alam nyo, gusto ko lang din ibahagi, kasi hindi naman ako nakapagsalita kanina. So, ito na lang din talaga yung opportunity ko. So, ako ho talaga, ang tagal-tagal ko na rin talaga umiinom ng Neo Alkaline Sea, lalo na ho sa amin. Parang may chismisan doon na nagkakaroon. Parang may sayangan doon.
Anong chismis dyan, Mama Del?
Diyan, madam.
Mama Del, anong chismis dyan?
Madam, pakinggan nyo naman ako ng kaunti. Sabahan ka naman, madam.
Let's have Jomar Amis. This is for you.
Sassy Jane, shout out naman sa iyo. God bless you and more vlogs to come. See you again soon. Thank you.
Artista, direktor.
Or, pero ikaw, ano to? O, di ano, iya-is version pa.
Sir, choose one, sir. Kasi hindi po, wala po dito yung lista. Alright, congratulations na. Thank you very much. There you go. And, next off, let's have Helen Sabayle. Helen Sabayle. There you go. And this time, after po sa mong ibang atag-akap, karon, salamat po ang bibilin ang
That's all mga ka-feeling. Don't forget to like and share our video and follow for more and leave a comment so I can visit your house too. This is Jay Rivera, Feeling Vlogger. Bye!